Hello everyone and welcome to this Kotlin programming tutorial. In this video, we'll be writing our first Kotlin program. If you're new to programming or Kotlin, don't worry. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's break down what we just wrote. The fun keyword tells Kotlin that we want to define a function, followed by the name of our function, which in this case is main, and the parentheses. In between the curly braces, we have our code that prints out the words "Hello World" to the console. Now let's move on to actually running our program. To do this, we'll need to install the Kotlin compiler. Head over to the official Kotlin website and download the compiler for your operating system. Once you've done that, open up a command prompt or terminal window and navigate to the directory where you saved your Kotlin program. Once you're in the correct directory, type Kotlin followed by the name of your program file, which should have the extension. For our program, the command would look like this. This command compiles our program and generates a jar file that we can run. To run our program, type jar file, and that's it. You've successfully written and run your first Kotlin program. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and stay tuned for more Kotlin programming tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching and happy coding!